Hello. Our next chemistry A level chemistry topic is naming organic compound. The parent hydrocarbons are alkane, as we have discussed earlier. The general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. And if we put the value of n in this general formula, definitely we will get a homologous series containing different number of carbon atoms. One carbon atom containing compound is called as methane, then ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, fluorine and decane. Similarly, we have already discussed that if from all these compounds one hydrogen is removed, then we will get alkyl group. From methane it will be called as a methyl. From ethane it will be called as a ethyl. From propane, propyl, butane, butyl, pentane, pentyl, hexyl, heptyl and so on. In this manner we can get all these alkyl groups. And then these alkyl groups are mentioned or utilized in the hydrocarbon formulas. Now, if we discuss the naming of hydrocarbon, there are certain rules. The first rule is select the longest continuous carbon atom chain. Now, what is the formula? Place a pencil over the hydrocarbon and count all the carbon atom end until the pencil is going on including all the carbon atom without returning back at certain point, then all those carbon will be the part of the longest continuous carbon atom chain. Now this is also a continuous carbon atom chain. This is also a continuous carbon atom chain, and this is also a continuous carbon atom chain. Now this compound contains how many carbon? At each corner, each turning, carbon atom is mentioned. All these are the skeletal formulas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. It means that 7 carbon atoms are there. No double bond is present. That's why this will be called as the heptane. This organic compound will contain 4 carbon atoms. And this is the formula of butane. And how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This is also a formula of heptane. Now all these are the continuous carbon atom chain. Now second point. Carbon out of continuous carbon atom chain, whenever we have to return back or some carbon atom is out of the continuous carbon atom chain, that is called as branch. That is called as branch. The continuous carbon atom chain are called stem, and these carbon atoms or alkyl groups which are not included into the continuous carbon atom chain, those are called as branch. Now there might be one branch, there might be more than one branch, there might be same type of alkyl group as a branch, or there might be different types of alkyl group as a branch. Now for example, in this case, this is also a formula. Now we have to place pencil along with the carbon atom. All these carbon atoms are present, included in the longest chain, but at this point one carbon is present on this side and one carbon is present on this side. Any of them can be included into the longest continuous carbon atom chain, but one carbon atom will be definitely remain out of the longest chain, and that carbon will be called as a branch. This will be called as a branch. Now first of all, whenever we have to name the organic compound, what we have to do, we have to select the longest continuous carbon atom chain with minimum branches. what is the third rule? In third rule, we have to now number the carbon atoms such that carbon containing branch must be given a small number. For example, if we have such type of the organic compound containing such situation. Now, let's suppose that this is our branch. Now, we have to number the carbon atom in such a manner that carbon containing branch must be given a smallest number. Definitely we will prefer the numbering from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Because the second carbon is containing branch, it means that the lowest number should be given to that carbon. Now numbering from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. This will indicate that 5 number carbon is containing branch, but this will be wrong. We have to number the carbon atom from the side where branch containing carbon should get lowest possible number. Now we will number in this manner: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. These are the numbers. Now if there is some case that a branch is present here also, then this will become a competition between the carbon atom or branch containing carbon atom from both the sides. Now if this is branch, definitely from this side if we number the second number carbon atom contain branch, and if we number from this side, then again second number carbon atom containing branch. If this situation occurs, then no doubt from which side we can assign the number to the carbon atom, and then we can name the organic compound. Now naming the organic compound, for example, next point is fourth. Mention the branches. Alphabetically, if different alkyl groups are attached. For example, if we have a compound just like this, this is CH3, for example, and here this is again a CH2 and CH3. Suppose that these are the carbon atom. From this side branch comes on third carbon atom, and from this side branch comes on second carbon atom. That's why we will number from this side: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These are the total number of carbon atom present in the longest continuous carbon atom chain. Now we have to mention the name for this hydrocarbon as the branches. This one and this one are different. We will mention them alphabetically, no doubt, irrespective of the fact which branch is coming first or which is coming second. Now name of this will be, this is methyl group and this is ethyl group. Name of this will becomes that 5-ethyl. This is 5-ethyl because alphabetically we have to mention ethyl first, then we will mention methyl. It means that 5-ethyl, then 2-methyl. 5-ethyl, then 2-methyl. What is the total number of carbon atom present? 7. That's why this will be called as a heptane. Heptane. This will be the name of this organic compound. Now, if the branches are same, for example, this branch is not containing 2 carbon atoms, rather containing only 1 carbon atom. Now, it means that this one branch and this branch, both of these become same. Now, new name of this will become as 2, and 5. 2, 5, di. Di means 2. Di group is methyl. 2, 5, dimethyl. Then total number of carbon atom containing is heptane. This will be the name of this. If the same type of different alkyl groups are present, then the prefix di, tri, tetra, penta can be utilized to mention the total number along with the number of carbon atom to which these are attached. In this manner, we can name organic compound easily. These are the certain rules. We can easily name the organic compound in this manner. Now these are the aliphatic hydrocarbons. There are some aromatic hydrocarbons also. What are the aromatic hydrocarbons? Those hydrocarbons which contain benzene ring. Benzene ring their part. For example, this is benzene ring and this is aromatic compound and this is called arene benzene. Now we can name substituted benzene also. For example, if this is benzene attached with Cl means chlorobenzene. If this is attached with, for example, OH, then this will be called as aromatic alcohol, but typical name is phenol. Similarly, if this is attached with CH3, this is called as methylbenzene. Now all these are monosubstituted. Now disubstituted can also be mentioned. For example, if at this position is Cl, for example, say. Now the rule is if more than one substituent are present on benzene ring, then we have to select that group whose alphabetical order first letter comes later. That is considered as number 1. For example, this is methyl and this is chloro. If it means that alphabetically the first word of this group, methyl M, is coming later. That's why this will be mentioned as number 1. Then we can number from this side also, but if we number from this side, this will become carbon second, third, fourth, and then fifth. On fifth carbon, chlorine atom is present. But if we number from this side, then this carbon is second and this carbon will be third. It means that on third carbon, chloro group is present. So we will definitely prefer from this side so that the second substituent carbon atom get the lowest possible number. In this manner, this will become 4, this will become third and fourth and fifth and then sixth carbon atom. If we want to name such type of the aromatic hydrocarbon. This will be called as, according to the alphabetical order, 3-chloro. Means whenever we have to write down the name of the organic compound, then we have to take care of the alphabetical order of the groups. Now, this name of this will become 3-chloro, 3-chloro, then methyl and benzene. 3-chloro, methyl benzene. It means that methyl group is present on number 1 position and chloro group is present on the 3rd position. In this manner, organic compound can easily be named, and these are the certain rules to name the organic compound. I have explained the basic rules involved in nomenclature of the organic compound. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for the upcoming lectures.